Ultimately, why I decided on getting a degree in finance was really because I wanted to put myself at the forefront of business. Finance is such an important tool to be able to not only be able to speak the numbers of business and understand how cash and assets flow and create value, but also is so much of the people skills, understanding the goals and motivations of business people and customers alike, and helping the two come together and really create a relationship that's super valuable.
I would really sort of divide finance into three areas. First one is corporate finance. So corporate finance is how firms go about choosing to allocate funds. Then we would move into an arena that we would more broadly refer to as investments. The different types of things where individuals are allocating their own money for future returns. And then finally, financial markets and institutions. We're thinking about commercial banks. We're thinking about the support roles in a mutual fund.
From the moment I joined Fox, I joined our student professional organizations, and I would definitely say my experience in the Fox Fund and Owl Fund and the rest of the Temple Finance organizations has been the most rewarding experiences. And I'll actually be joining Citigroup post-graduation in New York City. And without what I gained in those internal organizations, I probably would not be where I am today.
The beauty of the business school here at Temple is it gives you the opportunity to grow into whatever mold you want to end up becoming. You have the resources and the structure and the guidance to help go out into the world and discover opportunities that you really want to pursue. I think the structures and the guidance systems in place here through professors and through just the community as a whole, it helps you discover what you want to be and then gives you the tools to unlock that freedom in finding out exactly what kind of professional and where do I fit in this massive business world that we're all heading into.